Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the file so nothing is lost. Open the image in your chosen editor and immediately duplicate the layer or save a copy. This preserves the original. Make sure the app has storage permissions and export quality set to high so text edits don't blur. Once done, zoom to the area with text and toggle grid or guides if available. These help align replacement text. Now you're ready to remove or mask the existing letters and place new text precisely. You remove the existing text by sampling nearby pixels and using the healing or clone tool in small, controlled strokes. This recreates texture and prevents patchy areas. Once the background looks seamless, switch to the text tool. Match font style, size, spacing, color, and tilt to blend with the photo. This is why sampling and guides matter. If shadows or highlights intersect letters, add a subtle drop shadow or blend mode to mimic original light. Make incremental saves as you refine placement and effects. You finish by comparing the edited image against the original at full zoom and making final color, contrast, and sharpening adjustments so the new text reads naturally. Export a high-resolution PNG or JPEG and also save an editable project file in case you need further tweaks. If the text edge looks artificial, apply a tiny Gaussian blur or add matching film grain to integrate layers. Troubleshooting tip: if clone seams appear, undo to the previous save.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.